Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today's topic is factors affecting photosynthesis. Affecting photosynthesis. Since we know that photosynthesis is a redox reaction in which carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrates and water is oxidized to oxygen. Various factors affect the rate of photosynthesis. The factors which affect photosynthesis are light, temperature, carbon dioxide, water, oxygen, smoke, and various chemicals. First of all, it is light. The wavelength of light at which photosynthesis occurs is called as PAR. It is photosynthetic active radiation, and this PAR is 400 to 700 nanometers of light wavelength. Since we know that there is VIB-Guyer, this is ultraviolet, it is infrared. That means the wavelength at which photosynthesis occurs is 400 to 700. It is called as PAR, photosynthetic active radiation. 80 to 90% of light falling on the leaves is absorbed by them, and the rest is transmitted and reflected. Green color of the leaves is due to transmission and reflection of green light. During peak hours, the rate of photosynthesis is almost 20 times greater than respiration. That is, P is to R. P is photosynthesis, R is respiration, is equal to 20:1. But during early morning and evening, and in the evening, rate of photosynthesis is almost equal to rate of respiration. It is almost 1:1. The stage in which rate of photosynthesis equals to rate of respiration, it is called as compensation point. At this point, there is no exchange of gases. This carbon dioxide compensation point is highest in case of C3 plants as compared to C4 plants. Second factor is temperature. The optimum temperature for photosynthesis is 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Some cryophytes can perform photosynthesis up to -35 degrees Celsius, and some thermal algae performs this at +70 degrees Celsius. At extremely low temperature, there is no photosynthesis in case of higher plants due to inactivation of enzymes. At high temperature, there is also no photosynthesis due to denaturation of enzymes. The third factor is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the essential raw material for photosynthesis. The concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is 0.03%. increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide increases the rate of photosynthesis. That means rate of photosynthesis is directly proportional to increase in concentration of photosynthesis. Number 4 is water. Water is also an essential raw material for photosynthesis because it is the essential source of protons and electrons. This is water. When light falls on it, there occurs photolysis of water, and as a consequence of which there is generation of protons and electrons. Then there is oxygen. Unlike carbon dioxide and water, increase in the concentration of oxygen decrease the rate of photosynthesis. That means rate of photosynthesis is inversely proportional to increase in oxygen. The decrease in the rate of photosynthesis due to increase in oxygen concentration is called as Warburg effect. Warburg effect. It occurs due to a phenomena called as photorespiration. Then there is smoke. The smoke also indirectly affects the rate of photosynthesis. In presence of sunlight, smoke produces pan and ozone. It is peroxyethyl nitrate. This pan blocks Hill reaction. Then there are chemicals. The chemicals like cyanide, carbon monoxide, azides, hydrogen sulfide, chloroform, and ether, they inhibit photosynthesis. That means they decrease the rate of photosynthesis. The herbicides like DCMU, it is diphenyl methyl urea, and CMU. These are two herbicides which inhibit photosynthesis by destroying PS2, thus inhibiting Hill reaction. Thank you.